Triple, the first Acholi artist to publicly declare HIV positive status. 2025, powerful moment unfolded in Uganda's entertainment landscape. Triple A musician from Acholi in northern Uganda, publicly declared that he is HIV positive. His announcement, delivered from a sick bed with the words "HIV is real" and a faint smile, marked him as the first artist from northern Uganda to openly accept and share his HIV status. This act of vulnerability and courage broke regional silence, challenged stigma, and added a new voice to Uganda's HIV awareness movement. Historical context: Uganda's HIV discourse legacy. Triple A's declaration joins a lineage of Ugandan celebrities who have used their platforms to confront HIV stigma. Philip Bongoli retired in 1988, the first Ugandan musician to publicly announce his HIV positive status. His music and activism awakened national awareness during a time of fear and misinformation. MC Katz, 2019, a popular TV host and music promoter who revealed his status live on stage, becoming a vocal advocate for testing and treatment.
When did you find out that you were positive?
I practically can't tell the real time, but ngabwe nkugambye messages were going to my mom. Mwana wo gwawo, mwana wa fa, mwana wa kolola, mwana wa labika bubi, mwana wo. I think she sensed. She must have sensed. So one setting a doctor, nze mmanyi ngenze kujjanjaba ngono jjanjaba malaria. Ne bakizanya ni doctor na more results.
Oh.
But I can't like figure out timing. It's been years.
So it was your mom that told you that you were positive.
Producer Didi, 2024, veteran music producer who came forward with his diagnosis, adding another voice from the entertainment industry.
So my next journey in Kubanga Kola projects is sensitizing people to live positively. India by talented of pushing.
Triple A, 2025, the first Acholi artist to declare his status, expanding the movement into northern Uganda and representing a new generation of openness.
Amero wajani nantalo abibelo we mina machel in northern Uganda miye ni tuocheli mtikume nkarima kiwacha dong nitie kimero ngeo ni dana wen piti mabe kwan kar ni chak wore uri yan mapat chi biye ni chante wilogo kuchpe wilogo wani ni wen wati upipa wilogo.
The sickbed declaration, symbolism and strength. Triple A's encouragement was not just verbal, it was visual and emotional. Appearing on a sickbed, visibly weakened but smiling, he transformed vulnerability into advocacy. His words, "HIV is real," were a direct challenge to denial and silence. The smile, though faint, carried deep symbolism, resilience, dignity, and hope.
Slim Tirielwa, Mel Triple and the sick bed mod. Payot. Tuoka Bino. Doka Itak. Slim Jar. Tiriel. Triple the sick bed mod. Okay, ati iwe manyan chaka bichwalo wako lokum chilim.
In Acholi culture, strength in adversity is reversed. Triple A's sickbed became a stage of truth, and his smile became a message of endurance. This moment echoes Lutaya's legacy, who sang through his illness to awaken Uganda, Triple A's image now stands as a cultural emblem of courage. TikTok reaction is a mirror of society. The public response on TikTok reveals the emotional complexity surrounding HIV in Uganda. With over 28 comments on his video and still counting, the reactions range from cruel mockery to heartfelt support. Negative comments. Welcome to the world of death, with laughing emojis by Fearless. This comment reflects lingering stigma and ignorance. It trivializes HIV and reinforces fear-based narratives that discourage openness. He is going to accept and tell people that he is affected if it's confirmed. That's DJ in proxy. This shows cultural discomfort with directness and a tendency to delay or doubt public declarations. Supportive comments. Your boldness is going to ease the anxiety and depression. Quickest recovery. Doggy Fresh recognizes the psychological impact of disclosure and affirms AAA's leadership in reducing fear. Seek medical help and follow the guidelines. Live positively. Christy Tina. This encourages treatment and positive living, reflecting growing awareness of ARVs. The AAA just enrolled for ARV. You will stay longer, bro. That's Timothy Apila. Normalizes HIV as a manageable condition and shows community knowledge of treatment. You are such a nice person. May God bless you for being honest. Wislow Otboy frames disclosure as a moral and spiritual act, reinforcing the value of truth. HIV doesn't kill, bro. Just take your drug in time. Kelekul educates and reassures, showing a shift toward acceptance and medical literacy. Social analysis. What the comments reveal. Stigma persists. Mocking comments show that HIV is still feared and misunderstood by some. Courage inspires. Supportive voices admire AAA's boldness and encourage others to follow his example. Community is divided. The mix of reactions reflects a society in transition between fear and empathy. Digital platforms and amplify impact. TikTok has become a stage for public health dialogue, and AAA's video is now part of a larger movement. Personal and community impact. For AAA, relief from secrecy and shame. Empowerment through owning its narrative. Role model status for Acholi youth and fellow artists. For Acholi, breaking cultural silence around HIV, encouraging testing and treatment, representation in the national HIV movement, sparking dialogue and reducing discrimination. National significance. AAA's declaration strengthens Uganda's HIV awareness movement by expanding advocacy into northern Uganda, reinforcing the message that HIV is real, but life continues, joining a legacy of artists who turned pain into public service. Role of NGOs and support systems. NGOs can amplify AAA's impact by providing medical and psychological support, using his story in awareness campaigns, protecting rights and fighting stigma, mobilizing youth and community leaders around his message. In conclusion, AAA's announcement is a cultural milestone as the first Acholi artist to publicly declare his HIV positive status. He has broken silence, challenged stigma, and inspired hope. His sick-bed declaration is faint smile, and the flood of TikTok reactions, both cruel and kind, prove that HIV is not just a medical issue, it's a cultural challenge, a spiritual test, and a call to unity. Placed with Uganda's history, AAA joins Philip Bongoli Lutaya, MC Katz, and producer Didi in a lineage of courageous artists who transform personal vulnerability into national advocacy. His openness benefits him personally, empowers his community, and strengthens Uganda's fight against HIV stigma. In the end, AAA's courage ensures that Acholi's voice is now part of Uganda's HIV awareness movement. His sickbed became his stage, his smile became his song, and his declaration became a legacy, reminding all that HIV is real, but so is hope.